We'll guide you through how to schedule a post on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To schedule a post on X, begin by opening Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Click the search box at the top of the browser, type X, and press enter. From the results, click the official X website link to reach the correct page. On the home page, click Sign Up with Google for a quick and easy login. Choose the Google account you want to use from the list that appears. Scroll down on the account information page and click Continue to move forward. Enter your birth date by selecting the month, day, and year from the drop-down boxes. Read the terms and conditions, then click Sign Up to create your account. X will suggest usernames. Pick one you like or create your own. Click Next to confirm your username. When asked about notifications, click Skip for now to bypass that screen. Choose your preferred language from the menu and click Next. Browse through the available interests and topics and select the ones you want on your X feed. Click Next to confirm your choices. Follow at least one account to finish your profile setup. Then click Next to complete the process. From your home feed, click the Post button to begin creating your post. Click the text box and type the message you want to share. Make sure the post is set to Everyone can reply so others can engage with your content. Click the schedule icon to open the scheduling options for your post. You will see options to set when your post should go live. Click the month drop-down to select your desired month. Click the day drop-down to pick the specific day you want to post. Click the year drop-down to choose the year. Adjust the hour drop-down to set what time of day the post goes out. Click the minutes drop-down to fine-tune the exact minute the post will be published. Change AM or PM to set a morning or evening time. After setting all your preferred times, click Confirm to lock in your schedule. Finally, click Schedule to officially queue your post for that date and time. Your post has been successfully scheduled on X and will automatically go live at the selected time.